In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord for voice and text chat. If you're new to Discord, think of it as a place where communities gather to talk in real time. You'll find two main ways to communicate: quick, organized text conversations and live voice chats. I'll walk you through both so you can jump in confidently. Start by opening Discord on your computer or in your web browser and sign in. On the left, you'll see a list of servers you're part of. Click a server to open it. Inside each server, the sidebar is divided into sections, typically starting with text channels. These are marked with a hashtag icon and are designed for ongoing written conversations on specific topics. Choose any text channel you can access. Once you're in, click the message box at the bottom of the screen, type your message and press enter to send. If you want a new line without sending, press Shift plus enter. You can mention someone with the @ symbol and their name to get their attention, react with emojis, or attach images and files with the upload icon. Keep an eye on any channel guidelines listed at the top. Each community may have its own rules for tone, links, and spoilers. If you make a typo, hover over your message and use the edit option to fix it. And remember, you can delete your own messages if needed. When you're ready for live conversation, move to the voice channels section in the same sidebar. These channels are marked with a small speaker icon. Click an active voice channel, often called something like General, to join. The first time you do this in a browser, your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Choose Allow. You'll know you're connected when you see your profile icon appear in the channel roster. Inside the voice channel, you'll find basic controls. Use the microphone button to mute or unmute yourself, and the headphones or deafen button if you need to silence the channel temporarily. If your friends can't hear you, open your voice settings and confirm the correct microphone is selected. Then adjust input sensitivity so your voice is clear without background noise. You can also enable push to talk if you prefer holding a key to speak, which helps in noisy spaces. When needed, turn on your camera or share your screen for quick collaboration. To leave the call, click the disconnect button. That's it. You've sent messages in a text channel and joined a voice channel. Practice in a friendly server, be respectful, and you'll be chatting like a pro in no time.